Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I filmed a drugstore makeup look for graduation because graduation season is upon us. And remember to subscribe and turn on your post notifications because I have a graduation lookbook coming up for one of my next videos. So starting off, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and this is in, I think, dark brown, and I'm just starting off with light eyebrow strokes. I know this is the only product that is not drugstore, so I am sorry about that, but I have yet to find a really good drugstore eyebrow pencil. So this is what I am using. So starting off with my base, I'm using my NYX Honey Do Me Up primer, and I really do like this stuff because it is really moisturizing. Next up, I'm using my Wet n Wild foundation, and this is the Photo Focus foundation, and you guys, for $3, this is a really good foundation. I feel like it has enough coverage. So yeah, this is what I am using. Concealer, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal HD, and this is a really good concealer. The one I'm using is a little bit lighter, but it's fine because I wanted to really brighten up my under eye area. For powder, I'm using this Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, and I really do like this powder. This is in the shade Banana. Up, I'm using this small, or rather big, contouring palette from Wet n Wild, and I really like this contour shade, and you guys will see in a minute that they also have like a slightly like yellow banana shade, which just brightens up everything even more. For bronzer, I am using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. This is an all-time favorite and it smells amazing, so that is what I am using. And I'm also placing a bit of powder just to clean up under where I contoured. Up, I'm using the Morphe 350 palette. This is an old original product, and I'm going in with this slightly orange shade all over my lid. And next up, I'm using this slightly brown color, and I just smudged this along my lash line, and I really wanted to go for a really subtle look, nothing too dramatic, just something really natural, so that is why I'm lightly lining over. And next up, I am blending that shadow also on my under eye. And now I'm going in with this shimmer shade and packing that on my lid, on my inner lid. This is another shimmer shade, but this is more orange toned, so I'm also packing that on, but more of like in the middle. For lashes, I'm using the Ardell 3D Fox Mink, and I really do like these lashes. I feel like these are my new favorite drugstore lashes. They are really nice and fluttery. For mascara, this is really similar to the Too Faced one, and this is just the Voluminous Lash Paradise. I love this mascara, one of my new favorite drugstore ones. For blush, I'm using this one from Fit Me Maybelline. It's really nice, just like peachy toned blush. So for highlighter, this is the Maybelline Master Chrome, and this is a really nice dewy luminous highlighter, so I really do like this as well. I feel like it really complemented the light eye look. For lip liner, this is the LA Girl Keep It Spicy, and for only like $3, this is really bomb, you guys. So that is what I am using to line my lips. I use this lip product so much. This is Times Square from ColourPop. This is like one of my favorite go-to lip colors. So that is what I am using. And for gloss, this is also from ColourPop, and this one is called Pop. And that is it for this makeup look, a drugstore edition for graduation. I really hope you guys liked this, and like I said, stay tuned for my next videos that I have coming up, because it will be a graduation lookbook, and I'm really excited for you guys to see. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.